Today we're going to demonstrate some of the attachments for the Custom Sport 4-Way. Each Custom Sport 4-Way comes with 4 different methods of attachment. We're going to turn the blinking lights off here so we can see. The back of the Custom Sport has a clothing clip that is a closed clothing clip, which just means that it will snap all the way once it is latched onto your shirt or the back of your pants. The armband is adjustable Velcro, so simply sliding to where it's comfortable for your arm and then putting the Velcro on. You'll notice up by the buckle there is actually a loop that the light goes into. When you put your light inside, you'll want to see that the on-off button is located away from the buckle. That just prevents the light from accidentally being turned on or cycling while you're wearing the light. So now the light's ready to go on to your arm and setting which mode you'd like to have the light in. The next mount we're going to talk about is the bike mount. The bike mount is tools free, allowing you to put it onto a bike in just seconds. Your light will go from your armband to your bike by simply sliding, and it will only take it one direction, the light right into place, and it's set to go. To remove the light, simply push the bottom tab and the light will slide right out. And it is a lock fit, so it will not come out while you're riding or if you bump around. The tools free mount does have 3 different positions that you can put it in. One is without using any of the rubber stays, or if you have a reduced or child-sized bike, simply inserting one of the rubber stays, or in the case of a smaller bike, simply inserting 2 rubber stays before you attach onto the bike itself. And that is the bike mount. The next mount we're going to talk about is the helmet mount. The helmet mount is included in the kit, and it will allow the Custom Sport 4-Way to be worn on top of a helmet. The back of the clip has a little hole right in the center. By taking a pin into this hole and simply applying a little bit of pressure, the clip will slide out. With the clip removed, simply take the helmet mount, open it up, and now right through the body you slide in the Velcro helmet mount. And your light is now ready to be mounted onto the top of your helmet. Simply slide the Velcro right through the vents and attach the Velcro, and you're set to go. In some child's helmets or smaller vent spacing helmets, removing a little bit of the Velcro may be required, say an inch or 2, just to give a snugger fit. Each helmet is going to be just a little bit different, so snug up as necessary. A couple of mounts that we have not discussed and are not included in the kit, but we hear from a lot of people that do this. With the clip removed, we have a lot of people that are now using these on helmet mounts, or we have several companies that mount them onto scooters. So using 2 zip ties or wire ties, simply slide the 2 of them right through the base of the light, and then zip them to the required length, and now you've got a permanent, semi-permanent, you can always clip it off, attachment for your custom sport. Another mounting method that we hear from a lot of groups is using a number 3 safety pin. Our clips are designed to close, which will allow for a solid connection. This is a number 3 safety pin, which is commonly used for runners' numbers. Putting the safety pin through your clothing and closing it up. Now you can snap the safety pin right on to the back of the light, and being that it closes, it is not going anywhere. So the safety pin attachment, again, it's not included in the clip in the kit, but we have a lot of people that use safety pins for attachment method. And that's the various attachment methods for the Custom Sport 4-Way.